Hello guys, welcome to the English Easier with Eric. In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different situations and places. Definitely, you will learn useful vocabulary, phrases and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Let's take a look.
Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. John and Rachel are roommates who are making a salad for dinner. Rachel is cutting up some tomatoes, while John is mixing the dressing.
John, can you pass me the tomatoes, please?
Sure thing, Rachel. Here you go.
Thanks. Why did the tomato turn red?
I don't know, why?
Because it saw the salad dressing.
Haha, very funny. I've heard that one before.
I just learned it today in my botany class. I thought it was cute.
Yeah, it's definitely a cute one. Speaking of salad dressing, do you want me to mix in the olive oil or the vinegar first?
Definitely the olive oil. We don't want the salad to be too sour.
Got it. How about some salt and pepper?
Sure, a pinch of each should be good.
As they finish preparing the salad, they start to set the table.
Looks like we're ready to eat. I hope this salad turns out well.
Me too. And thanks for passing me the tomatoes earlier.
No problem. Why did the tomato turn red?
Because it saw the salad dressing.
Haha, very funny.
Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged. Lisa and Tom are having coffee at a local cafe when Lisa notices that Tom looks upset.
Hey, Tom. What's wrong?
Someone stole my wallet. I can't believe it.
That's terrible. Did you file a police report?
No, I haven't yet. I don't even know where to start.
Well, you should definitely file a report. It's important to have a record of what happened. You know what reminds me of this situation?
What?
Why did the coffee file a police report?
I don't know, why?
It got mugged.
Haha, that's actually kind of funny. Maybe I should tell the police that joke when I file the report.
It couldn't hurt. Sometimes a little humor can lighten the mood.
Yeah, maybe you're right. Thanks for the advice, Lisa. And for the laugh.
Of course, anytime. Let's finish our coffee and then we can head to the police station together.
Sounds like a plan. And maybe we can grab a donut on the way there. I need something to cheer me up.
Sure, let's do it. Don't worry, we'll get through this together.
Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Samantha and John are two friends who just finished their high school chemistry exam. Samantha is nervous about her results, while John seems to be more relaxed.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a...
I'm so worried about how I did on that chemistry test. I feel like I didn't study enough.
Don't worry, Samantha. Remember the joke we learned in class? Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. You know everything there is to know about atoms now.
Very funny. But I don't think that's going to help me pass the exam.
Come on, Samantha. You know more than you think. What's the smallest unit of matter?
An atom.
Exactly. And what's an atom made up of?
Protons, neutrons, and electrons.
See, you know this stuff. You're going to ace that exam.
Thanks, John. I hope you're right.
After a few days, Samantha receives her exam results and is thrilled to find out that she passed with flying colors.
I can't believe it. I passed the exam.
Told you so. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
Very funny. But seriously, thanks for your help, John.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Sarah and Jack are walking through a field when they come across a scarecrow.
Hey, Jack, look at that scarecrow. It looks like it's been out here for years.
Yeah, it definitely has that weathered look. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Why did the Scarecrow win an award?
I don't know, why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
That's a good one. I haven't heard that before.
It's an oldie but a goodie. Speaking of scarecrows, did you know that there's a scarecrow festival happening in the nearby town?
No way, really? That sounds like so much fun.
Yeah, and the best part is that they give out awards for the best scarecrows. Maybe we should make one and enter it.
That's a great idea. We could make it really creative and give it a theme.
Yeah, and we could even make it funny. I bet the judges would appreciate a good sense of humor.
Definitely. Let's start brainstorming some ideas and get to work on it. Who knows, maybe we'll be the ones who are outstanding in our field.
Haha, I like the way you think. Let's get started.
Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose.
And that's it for today's English lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English lessons. And if you want to take your English learning to the next level, check out our channel more often. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next English lesson.